Asbestos is a known carcinogen, and there's no safe level of exposure.
Mesothelioma is a miserable disease.
They must fight a truly global battle.
We want to demonstrate our enormous respect.
Keep up the good work. I look forward to the day when ADAO is no longer needed.
Fix it. Fix it. Everything in the world can be fixed.
Keep me in your heart for a while.
So without further ado, I want to welcome you to our 8th annual conference, and I want to introduce you to our partners for prevention, EIA and IATP. And Brent, I'm going to give you the mic now. So welcome and thank you.
Thank you, Linda, and thank you, Asbestos Disease Awareness Organization. I am Brent Kynock. I'm the Managing Director of the Environmental Information Association, and we are very pleased to be a partner for prevention in this conference representing the United States of America. And I just want to give a big shout out to ADAO, the Board of Directors, the Science Advisory Board, for all the hard work they've done in putting this together. This organization is very, very powerful, and it's powerful because of the hard work of all of you in this room, and because you've learned how to tell your story and tell it in a way that is very understandable and very believable. And for that reason, the Environmental Information Association and all of our members are very pleased to work with the Asbestos Disease Awareness Organization. The mission of EIA is to collect, generate, and disseminate information about environmental health hazards in buildings and facilities. We were founded in 1983 as the National Asbestos Council, and we're a multidisciplinary organization. By that, we mean we're the folks that are involved in the asbestos abatement industry. Everybody from training providers to the contractors that actually do the work, the consultants, the laboratories, building owners, you name it. If you're involved in asbestos abatement, you are a member of our organization. We've been working with ADAO for 8 years now in trying to provide technical guidance and input, and we will continue to be involved in this organization for years to come because of the great mission and because of our missions mesh so well. With that said, I also will announce to you, and we'll give you more details later, but we're having consecutive conferences next year in Washington, D.C., with ADAO having their conference first, and then the Environmental Information Association following right behind the very next day, starting our conference. EIA just celebrated its conference in San Diego last week, and I'm pleased to be here this week, and we look forward to a great conference today. Thank you very much.
Morning, everybody. My name's Christine Winter. I'm from... Oh, I'm too small. No, you're just vertically challenged is the right way to put it. I'm from the United Kingdom, Great Britain, and I represent independent asbestos training providers, IATP as we call ourselves. IATP is an umbrella organisation for the UK training professional companies, and they sit underneath. In the UK, if you're a single company, you don't have a voice with the governing bodies, but when you come under an umbrella, such as IATP, you start growing and you have a great voice, and then you become involved. We're about education and training. That's all we do. We train people. And it's a bit different in the UK than it is to the US. We have 3 types of asbestos training. Our training is legislative. It's very strict. We have to do what HSE tell us to do, and so do the contractors and the tradespeople and people who need basic asbestos awareness. So it's a whole different ballgame, and I'll go into that and later on when I deliver my speech. Being put on the spot, you can tell, can't you? But we're very proud to be here. My relationship with Linda goes back about 6 years, and we've been sharing information, cascading it, utilising media, any media that would take it forward. And we come now here, face to face, for the second time, because we met for the first time last month, and we're able to share with a great global community, and we are so proud that you have invited us. Thank you, ADAO. Brilliant. We're happy to be here. Thank you.
Keep up the good work. I look forward to the day when ADAO is no longer needed.
Fix it. Fix it. Everything in the world can be fixed.
Your heart